Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell or buy or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening the video. I have Tonian with me today too, but she's backseat driver today. Tonian, say hi to the people.
Hi everyone.
Alright, so I also have with me Miss Veronica. Going to say hi, Miss Veronica.
Hi.
And her husband, what's his name again? Algie. Algie. What is that? Algie?
Is his real name, but
Algeran? Alganan?
Alganan.
So like something could go on a building. The Alganan building. The algae. Put on a building, like you said, a Trump building.
Remember I put it with Trump?
No, put it with Trump.
No, say somebody else.
Well, I know. In New Kingston, we have, I think we have Edward Siaga building, and we have Michael Manley building on NHT. No. Alright, so we're heading to, what's the property?
Windsor Forest.
Windsor Forest in Westmoreland. That's the name of the property. But the district is? Lennox. That's the district. And we're actually in the parish of St. Elizabeth. Right now, but we're going into Westmoreland, right? So we actually came through Santa Cruz, Middle Court. No, hold on. Santa Cruz, then it was La Covia.
Yeah.
Then when we got to La Covia, it was Holland Bamboo.
Yeah.
And then we came to Middle Quarters, and we made a right turn at Middle Quarters. And up here's the name what again?
White.
No. Whitehall, we just reach Whitehall, but when we turned, there's a name you said, a tree.
Oh, that was still
Middle Quarters. The star apple tree. A big star apple tree was there. So they used to call it that, but it's really Middle Quarters. So Middle Quarters is known for shrimp. Hot pepper shrimp, man. So this is, you call this top road. This taking us to Moby as well if we want to.
Yes.
And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the government, they have given you really good roads. So you can't complain about roads again. As a matter of fact, you can't talk about you have to change front end and all these things. If this is your route, right?
Well, this just happened recently.
It happened recently. Well, it happened, didn't it?
Yeah, it happened.
It happened. And that's what we want. We want it to happen in our lifetime.
Right.
I like it. Nice and scenic. There's a school near here, apparently.
No.
They're in a school uniform.
Yeah, she could travel down the road.
From where? From far?
Far,
I wonder if she's going to school. What time is it now? It's midday. She could be.
Magati High School. I'm not sure.
Magati High. Oh, got you.
That's their Tombstone.
Go down, yes, Tombstone. Magati High.
Could be that. I'm not sure.
Oh, I know Magati. You go around there to go a compound.
Right.
Yeah. I know up there, so I went up there to a function already. A compound where the maroons are. Went up there to Tony went to the rum factory.
Yeah, that's Hopeton.
Hopeton rum tour. Yeah. How was it, Tony? Yeah, you drink only for rum?
No, but I have to get
That it tasters. Oh. So you taste it and a drop down. Yeah, so we have an Appleton rum tour. So those of you who like to come and do these plantation tours, Appleton rum tour is a good one to choose. Which other district we have come to soon? Happy Grove. Okay. Somebody love flowers also. Happy Grove. I see a school coming up. Oh yes. Happy Grove Primary. So we just passing that school right there. Those of you who used to live in this area, you went to the Happy Grove High School, primary school, enough respect to you, enough blessings. Probably saying to yourself, I'm so not coming back to this place. Too rural, but this is where we get. St. Elizabeth is known for melon, scallion, what else? Thyme,
Yam too.
yam,
Potatoes.
potatoes, yeah. Lot of farming. So this is the bed and this is the basket parish that give us our food. And I know a lot of you leave land down here, you know. Well, probably need to come look for some of them land right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be showing you a 20-acre property that's for sale. So if you did run leave the land and now you want to come back and get a piece of the land, now that you know the value of land, that the wealth is in the land, you might want to just come back and buy this particular property. 20 acres in Lennox, property called Windsor Forest. I like that name, Windsor Forest. But Tony could have turned it into a forest attraction too, man. The Windsor Forest, yeah. When you come to Windsor Forest, you probably rent a little tree house. Tony?
Yeah, we're not far from the grill.
We're not far from the grill. We're not far from Montego Bay either, right?
It's not far. No, you're as far as long as you can drive to it.
Yes, Veronica. As long as you can drive to it.
Yes.
Unless you like Tony and who can drive.
She would drive.
She will drive one day.
had this project.
That's where out there, so
Carmel.
Carmel.
Carmel. Okay, so it's a project, what you mean?
The school, you see, Casa.
And the hill there, so they never have play field when they was going to school.
They didn't have what?
They didn't have a play field when they was going to school.
Oh,
So when they're in the state now, the school members, them come together and form association, raise fund, build a play field, build a pavilion, a center out there.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
And thing for the kids.
For the kids, okay.
So they come back once a while a year and then have fun with the kids them and so on. So.
Okay.
Out here so is Hopeton.
Hopeton, right?
So this is like 4 road. That one we carry back to on the main road. Straight is big wood. We're going right. We're gonna go right. But here so we carry up to your road right back to
Where we're
Jaffe
coming
right
from?
down White House.
Oh,
Yeah, it's going to Big Woods. So
Big Woods.
that's it's mad road. That's where it come from.
That's where I come from. That's on that road.
that's where you come from. That's where you met each other. You used to walk from school.
No, so you come from St. Elizabeth here.
Oh,
You know, come from like
La
good parish.
Covia, go to La Covia.
this a bushman.
Yeah.
So Veronica, when you leave here, so.
Yeah, but this is somebody.
Not a hill, is that hill? Not a hill she come from.
Up in that hill there.
Yeah.
Veronica.
That's all I.
When you go there, when you reach high bottom, have you some stick pick up.
If you go up there.
But I wonder why did you come up there?
So why you go up there so and look for Veronica?
Somebody came up there.
And where is it? And you walk 10 miles up Badland.
Somebody came up there.
How long ago that was? What year was that?
70s.
In the
About
70s?
72, so.
Wow. But the place still look bushy. Listen up. What else I
And I
mean?
said, this thing, you know, you still be better kept. But
People now
nobody
farm.
nobody not cleaning road again and all.
Yes, and now farm.
I see how them a place up your property, you know.
Yeah, 20 acre, 30 acre, whatever. Only by
Some good
acreage.
farming over here, some man.
Yeah, for the
What am I put
Who's
this
property that?
potato.
potato? Oh,
Yeah.
Sweet potato.
They want potato now where them call name then see a ganja potato name. They come in 2 months and about 2 months,
Yeah, two and a half.
2.5 months.
what, the potato?
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
2.5 months. So right now,
Then that not good.
I hit everybody up right now.
That is Irish potato?
No, sweet potato.
Sweet potato?
Yeah,
Then that not good.
2.5 months already.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had 9 months of
We
potato.
plant some and within 2.5 months when we reap, we get some big potato. Yeah,
It easy for plant.
yeah.
What about water? It need whole heap of water.
Once you catch it on the water.
You
Once you catch.
find it, tell. Find it soon. So this is, we know what, Lennox?
Yeah.
Yeah, see the sign here?
Yeah.
Lennox. Welcome to Lennox Farm.